Hello, today I'm going to teach you the greetings in Hebrew language, what you will need when you meet a person that speaks Hebrew, what will you need to say first things. So I'm going to begin with hello, different kinds of saying hello. How are you? What's your name? Where do you come from? I am da 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 da, and how to say goodbye. Okay? So let's begin. The first word that you will hear when you go to Israel, or when you speak with a Jewish person or a person that speaks Hebrew, is shalom. And shalom means peace, and it means also hi, hello. It is quite similar to the Arabic salam. Salam, while in Arabic we prefer to say peace upon you, assalamu alaikum, the one that we have studied before. In Hebrew, there is an equivalent which is shalom aleichem, but nobody uses it anymore, and they abbreviate the shalom. Okay, so shalom means hello, hi, or peace. How are you? It's just like Arabic, because also in Arabic we have a different way to say how are you to a female and how are you to a male. So it's the same in Hebrew. As I told you, that the both languages function very similar one to another. So how are you speaking with a boy? It would be ma, which is what. Your state is like just like in Arabic. Ma shlomcha. Ma shlomcha. What is your peace? Huh? What is your situation? It comes actually from shalom. Shlom is your situation or your peace. How is your peace? Ma shlomcha. Ma shlomcha. Sound at the end. You must be able to pronounce it if you want to speak Hebrew and Arabic, especially Hebrew though. Ma shlomcha. How are you, male? And if you're a female, the same thing. Stays the same, but the ending is different, just like in Arabic. Ma shlomech. So, ma shlomcha, male. Ma shlomech, female. Ma shlomech. Ma shlomcha. Ma shlomech. And I am fine, thank you. We say universal. I mean, both boy and girl can say ani, I am, just like ana in Arabic. Ani beseder, beseder. You could say beseder with the r, but I told you already that the r sound doesn't exist anymore in Hebrew, because many people choose the Western dialect, let's say in modern Hebrew, and they would pronounce it as r, and not ra. Okay, so ani beseder or ani beseder. You can choose both, but you would hear more ani beseder. So ani, I am beseder, fine. Thank you. Toda. Toda. Toda means thank you. And if I want to forward the same question to somebody else, so and you, I would say ve, which is and, just like wa in Arabic. Ve ata, and you, male. Ve at, and you, female. So we have two pronouns. Ata, male. At, you, female. So let's repeat the whole thing. Shalom. Shalom. מה שלומך? אני בסדר, תודה. ואתה? Or מה שלומך? אני בסדר. ואת? And you, female. Okay, let's learn where are you from. Where are you from? We say מאיפה. Me means from. איפה means where. מאיפה, they're put together. מאיפה אתה? You, male. Where are you from, you, male? מאיפה אתה? Or מאיפה את? Where are you from, female? מאיפה את? So me means from. איפה means where. מאיפה together, from where or where from, just like in English. And then we put the pronoun. מאיפה אתה? מאיפה את? Or מאיפה אתם? Where are you from? All, but we will speak about it later, because I taught you this in Arabic and it's very similar. Okay. If I want to answer, I would say I am from. So you would need the small me, which is at the beginning of the question. מאיפה את? אני, I am. me, from. And then you just put the country. אני מאמריקה. אני Tsarfat. Tsarfat means France. Ani me-Italia. Ani me-Yisrael. I'm from Israel. Ani me-Palestine. I'm from Palestine. Ani me-Sfarad. Sfarad is Spain. Sfarad. Okay, so you could just put ani me and then your country. Remember that me is connected to the country, okay? And how do we say bye when we go away? No, before that, what's your name? What's your name talking with a male is ma. What is ma? Shimcha. Shem, just like ism in Arabic. Ma shimcha. What is your name, male? Or ma shmech. Ma shmech. What is your name, female? So ma shimcha. Ma shmech. And the answer would be Ani, Maha, I am, or my name is Ma. Shmi, just like Ismi in Arabic. It's totally the same. Shmi, Maha, Ma Shimcha, Ma Shmech. Okay, great. But there's another way to ask for what is your name in Hebrew, which is more used than ma shimcha, what is your name, the normal, just like in Arabic, ma ismuka. So we have a different way to say, which is how do they call you? This is the same, the literal translation of how do they call you, but it is more used in Hebrew to ask what is your name. So how do they call you would be in Hebrew, how, קוראים, they call, קוראים, לך, you. So, איך קוראים לך? How do they call you? And then, קוראים לי, they call me, קוראים לי, מה? Okay, let's repeat it. איך, how, קוראים, they call, לך, you. איך קוראים לך? Or if you're a female, איך קוראים לך? איך קוראים לך? איך קוראים לך? קוראים לי, they call me, קוראים לי, מה? ואיך קוראים לך? And how do they call you? ואיך קוראים לך? And how do they call you female? Okay, so this is much more used than מה שמך or מה שמך. What is your name? But still, they are correct also, the two ones that I taught you before. They are correct. You can choose both ways. You would hear more איך קוראים לך. How do they call you? Okay? Alright. Now, when we want to say goodbye, we have one way, which is see you, just like in Arabic, إلى اللقاء, see you in the next meeting. In Hebrew, we have להתראות or להתראות. So להתראות, which is see you, להתראות. It's used for any gender, for any number. So you could, it's a fixed expression to say bye, and you say להתראות. Or you could say also shalom. But usually shalom comes at the beginning of the conversation. Okay, so when I come and meet somebody, I would say shalom. And if I go, I would say להתראות. Alright, so I hope you liked this lesson of greetings. Try to pronounce the words after me. And stay tuned to the next Hebrew lesson. להתראות.